and welcome. You are watching India Today So South, and I am Afreen Hussain. In a disturbing incident reported in Bengaluru's Konanakunte, a Rajasthani woman was groped and assaulted by an unknown man in the early morning hours of August 2nd, Friday. The victim was reportedly waiting for a friend to join her for a morning walk when a man crept up and groped her at around 5 a.m. A horrifying CCTV footage of the assault has surfaced on the internet. Despite her attempt to escape, the assailant chased her, covering her mouth while trying to sexually assault her. In a desperate bid to protect herself, the woman screamed loudly, which finally scared the perpetrator away. It must be noted that the neighborhood dog seemed to have sensed the impending danger and began barking furiously just before the man arrived, almost as if they were warning the woman. According to a report, the police have launched a manhunt for the accused and are urging anyone with information to come forward. The authorities are also reviewing nearby CCTV footage to identify the suspect. The victim is reportedly shaken but safe thanks to her quick thinking and the timely intervention of the barking dogs. The latest data released by the National Crime Records Bureau, the NCRB, ranks Bengaluru at third position after Delhi and Mumbai in crimes against women across 19 metropolitan cities with a population of over 2 million in 2022. As per the NCRB report, Bengaluru reported 6 incidents of acid attacks, the highest recorded in any metropolitan city in the country, and 151 rape cases. Of 151 rape cases recorded in the city, 149 cases were committed by people who were known to the victims. This disturbing incident raises the much asked question of how safe Bengaluru really is for women. Moving on, in a separate incident, the Bengaluru police on Saturday, August 3rd, discovered the severely decomposed body of a 59-year-old British national in Koramangala 7 block apartment. Based on reports, the deceased has been identified as Gavin James Young, a chef who had been residing in the US. It is said that he may have died by suicide after overdosing on medication. According to police officials, a suicide note was found at the scene. Gavin James Young, who had rented the apartment from an individual identified as Jagadish through Airbnb on July 1st, had reportedly asked Jagadish not to contact him until August 1st due to work commitments involving night shifts. When residents of the building detected a foul odor emanating from the flat and informed Jagdish, he attempted to reach Young but could not. After forcing entry into the apartment, Jagdish found Young's decomposed body and alerted the authorities. The police have secured Young's body in a mortuary and are working with the UK embassy to notify his family. They have also filed a case of suspicious death. Based on initial investigation by police officials, syringes and multiple strips of tablets were found at the scene. Young, who was diabetic and on insulin, also had medications for blood pressure and other health conditions. The presence of numerous pill strips, including some that were empty, suggests he may have taken an excessive amount of medication. Police believe the death likely occurred on August 1st, although an autopsy will determine the exact time and cause of death. There were no signs of forced entry or a struggle. Authorities also found Young's UK passport and are verifying his visa status. Preliminary information indicates that he might have arrived in India on a tourist visa in April. If you need support or know someone who does, please reach out to your nearest mental health specialist. The helpline numbers are mentioned in the description box below. Thank you so much for watching India Today So South. I am Afreen Hussain.